Real shit.
What's your
KJ.
You look good too, KJ.
You know what I'm saying?
It's you, man. It's you.
What the fuck that mean?
It's you, bro. Not everybody got it like you. It's you, bro.
Fine shit, pretty face, adorable.
7 little days of the week. I'm tryna make you a freak. Tryna make you rain for a week, little bitch. Oh, I hate it, you know I'm a beast. And
Oh,
finish hell on incomplete. And then when I'm in it, I'm looking at your feet, little bitch. Oh.
Oh, damn, I'm for them grade. I get nervous on the guys, huh?
oh no.
Oh shit, what's going on?
Never mind.
Relax.
How old you though? Fuck all that shit. How old are you?
How old am I? I'm 18.
18? Where you from?
I'm from Philly.
You from Philly? You know how to shake that shit?
Like hips.
For
She
real.
thought
What's
you
your
were
name
talking-
though? Shit, both really. Hey, listen, both really. Hey, what's your name here though?
Live.
Liv. You look good though, Liv. You said you're 18, right?
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah. You got Instagram?
Yeah.
Need that.
You need that.
Nah, real shit. Hashtag need that.
You right, I want to name that because they could probably watch your stuff.
Hey, they probably do the whole time though. I'm already knowing, cuz. What the fuck is that?
Well, I seen it. They think they act like they can't hear.
Same shit. Hey, how old you though? Right here.
Me?
Yeah.
17.
You fuck with younger niggas?
E?
Hey, you
don't
fuck.
see her?
No.
You fuck. Hey, I'm too old, but you fuck with younger niggas though. Like 2 years.
You think I'm like, you acting like I'm like 12.
This ain't good.
Like,
He
I'm
15 though.
15.
My friend's 15.
Who, her?
Yeah.
He got the whole package. He light skinned, dreads, and pretty eyes, cuz.
Unnecessary dick riding, 10 yards.
Do
And
you want her Instagram? So you can see how she look?
yeah, it don't matter.
Okay.
That's her?
Yeah, that's her.
Why she?
Huh? Shit, I forgot. X S.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Look at that.
How old are you? How old are you?
Fine shit, pretty face, adorable.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
But my
Let me
dog's out, gang.
My feet out too. My mom. Hey, how old you?
Oh, okay, goddamn.
She was bad.
Oh, bro. Move back this shit.
Now I'm gonna show you.
Hey, how old you?
Can you see my screen? Don't worry about it.
Hey, that's you. You supposed to be talking.
Oh my.
I was lobbing at
Jones,
you,
girl.
nigga.
Nah, that's South Carolina.
I'm lobbing it. Every time I say that I'm fucking Dwayne, you're LeBron.
Comes hitting ahead for Wade. There he goes.
The fuck is you looking at, my nigga? You know what I'm saying? Bobby.
Where y'all from?
Arkansas, where y'all from?
You said what?
I said, where y'all from? We from Arkansas. Where y'all from?
Cali.
Started from the bottom, now we way up.
Hey, how old are you though? With the phone?
Me?
Yeah.
I just turned 18.
You just turned 18. What's your name?
Huh?
Hey, why bro keep siding on me, bro? You throwing me off. He throwing me off. Yeah, you throwing me off.
Oh, bro.
This your sister? That's your little brother?
My little cousin.
Your little cousin?
I'm her twin.
Your twin? Hey.
That's what I did.
Hey, your twin look good though.
He ain't lying.
I know she looks good every day.
Sorry, shit. I'm already on. Yeah, what's your name though?
Sky.
Sky? You look good, Sky. Real shit.
What's your?
KJ.
You look good too, KJ.
You got Instagram?
I do.
I need that. You's a bitch.
She ain't typing.
Oh, they seen me?
Look,
Cause I did not know they seen me. But I did not know they just seen me right here. I was just standing there.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright, bet I'm finna hit you.
I'm gonna text you back.
Alright.
That was confidence.
Simple as that.
How am I gonna do something I don't even know what it is?
Ooh, fine shit.
You know him?
How old are you?
Nah, you.
Me, how old are you?
17.
17, I'm
Get that shit.
15.
Oh, y'all both are cute though.
Where you from?
Little chocolate caramel drop combo.
Where you from?
Cali.
Cali. Go ahead and drop that Instagram.
This nigga's spitting right now.
15.
Type shit.
Wait, how old is he?
I am. I'm 20.
He 20.
I am.
Ooh, I need that.
He.
I'm gonna call the police on these bitches, bro. I'm gonna call 12 on these hoes.
You'll be right.
I'm sorry. Wait, turn the camera. I need you. Keep hitting me.
Hey, go at Calgary, yeah, that boy.
How old are you?
She's 16.
16. Damn.
I'm 13.
You 13? I didn't want to know that. But like, where y'all from?
Damn, cuz. Damn, cuz. Hey, cuz.
my bad.
Press her ass, cuz.
Oh, bro.
Oh, damn.
Oh, get her ass, cuz. Get her ass, cuz. Get her ass. Get her ass, cuz.
Hey, where you from though? Where you from though?
I'm from New York. You ain't from New York, nigga. You're from Colorado.
Where you from? Where you from? Like, also real stuff. Where you from?
He's from Colorado. He wants
No, where you from? No, where you from? Yeah,
Yes.
Colorado.
you from
Dumbass motherfucker.
Colorado?
I got you right where I want you, little nigga. Go.
I'm finna drop your Instagram in the thing.
No. Yeah, I got you. No.
I gotta do
Stop
it.
being mad because I can pull bitches and niggas and you can't.
Yeah.
This you right here? This you?
Do it. Yeah.
I got these girls' number. Don't think they gonna hear from me after this. It's just all for fun. This is a sport.
Fuck mind of my business, I'm a mom, my right. You ain't really my friend, you just tryna get back. But I give F and then can't let them get that. Tell her bring it back tomorrow, cause I need a relapse. I don't drink lean, but I got a smoke.